It's Budget Day in Canada, Tuesday, March 28th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And starting off with new anticipation of the R word, with the latest economic outlook from financial services company Deloitte Canada, suggesting that if we aren't in one already, a mild recession is about to take hold. Deloitte is predicting an economic contraction of 0.5% this year will be followed by 2% growth in 2024. January's GDP data expected on Friday. A 20-year nightmare officially over for Canada's ranchers, with Japan lifting the last of its restrictions on Canadian beef stemming from the BSE, or mad cow disease outbreak of 2003. Government figures noting that Japan is already once again the country's second largest beef market, with exports topping $518 million as of last year. Spread the news and tell your friends about Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news that impacts you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. British Columbia's construction sector apparently won't have to wait much longer for a much-anticipated safety report. WorkSafe BC suggesting that its investigation into a deadly crane collapse in downtown Kelowna that killed 4 workers most of 2 years ago is close to being finished. A big deal in Alberta's oil and gas space, with Calgary-based Crescent Point Energy striking a $1.7 billion agreement to acquire Spartan Delta Corp. That takeover expected to add some 38,000 barrels of oil a day to Crescent's portfolio. And Shoppers Drug Mart has decided to exhale, although they aren't saying why, announcing plans to quit the medical marijuana distribution business and will instead transfer its patients to a platform run by pharmaceutical company Avicana. And you're up to date for this Tuesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.